So the need for advanced analytical techniques to understand complex man-made and geological materials inspired UNM to establish an X-ray diffraction lab in the 1950s. From that beginning, we have expanded our analytical capabilities in a collaboration with the Centre for Microengineered Materials at UNM. So this is a little piece of a meteorite. And we now have an exceptional array of state-of-the-art instrumentation, including X-ray diffractometers, a scanning electron microscope, focused ion beam instrument, and 2 transmission electron microscopes. These capabilities really enabled world-class research activities at UNM and rival the facilities of the best universities in the world. So our new facility is located in the basement of the PAÍS building. We have an excellent working space, including sample preparation, individual rooms for each instrument, and office space for our research staff. First and foremost, it's a multi-user facility that welcomes graduate and undergraduate students, postdoctoral fellows, research staff and faculty at UNM and elsewhere. Second, we have an incredibly diverse group of users that spans the UNM campus, from the College of Arts and Sciences, the School of Engineering to the UNM Health Sciences Centre, as well as users from other academic institutions and Sandia and Los Alamos National Laboratories. And finally, we provide training in high-level advanced materials analysis techniques, skills that are widely sought after in industry and academia. The users of our facility address a diverse array of fundamental scientific problems that impact major societal issues such as resource sustainability, energy generation, environmental restoration, risk mitigation, and human health. We also take pride in our continued success to enhance the research capabilities we have at UNM. An excellent example is our recently funded $2.5 million NSF project to acquire a state-of-the-art scanning transmission electron microscope. This new instrument is a true atomic resolution instrument with a configuration that will be the first of its kind installed anywhere in the US, putting UNM at the cutting edge of research capabilities available anywhere in the world. This instrument will enable numerous new exciting research opportunities on the UNM campus for understanding the behaviour of natural and synthetic materials at a completely new level. This is what we would have loved to have 30 years ago, but now our dream has come true.